Hi everybody, today we are going to cover one of the most in-demand strategy requests, intraday. Obviously, we're going to learn about the methods, the techniques, when exactly do we consider even entering into intraday, specially made for working people who cannot give that much time. In fact, the trade time requirement is very low. We look forward to do an entry in the first 15 minutes, first half an hour. We like to keep things simple. Trade setup. Let me explain you step by step. In next few minutes, it should be crystal clear for you if you are paying attention. Point number one, introduction to Heikin-Ashi candle. Let me tell you real quick. So what do you see on your screen, gentlemen? That is a nifty 30-minute chart. A normal regular candle looks like this, as you can see. All we got to do is a very simple thing. We go to the candlestick pattern and we move it to Heikin-Ashi. Now there is a line chart, there is a candlestick chart, you're already aware of it, and there is something called Heikin-Ashi. Heikin-Ashi charts are free of cost. Almost every broker provides it. You can come on TradingView, you're gonna have it. Just click off a button. Now when we click Heikin-Ashi, one thing gets very much clear, that the chart starts to look very smooth. The bearish trend is very much visible. The bullish trend is very much visible, as you can see here. Now, what is a good Heikin-Ashi candle? Now, I want you to have a look at this candle really closely. Now, this candle, if you see, pay a very close attention to this. What do you see? This one has a very smooth opening. In fact, this one has a flat top. So this becomes an ideal Heikin-Ashi candle for us if we are playing bearish. This is just a nifty chart. We're not gonna trade from nifty chart. Now what do you see? That once this candle is formed, the index caught a trend. And after that, the reverse is also true. If you have a look at here, what do you see? This one has a flat base. So this is an ideal Heikin-Ashi candle. And what do we see now? This time, the market has gone up instead. We are not interested in these spinning candles. Or these candles which has a little top, a little wick, which you can see. We are only interested in candle like this. I hope this thing is crystal clear. Yes, give me a thumbs up. Now we're gonna go to the next step now, and we're gonna have a structure, strict entry rules. Let me introduce you to something really nicely. Now for intraday, we're gonna flip it. We're gonna flip it for 1 minute. Let's see exactly what happens now. So now the setup and the strategy starts now. What you see is a 1 minute nifty regular normal candle. This is exactly Thursday 9:15. This is a 1 minute candle. Some information which we see here is point number one, market opened at 25,561. This is an opening tick of Nifty. That means at the money becomes 25,550 call and 25,550 put. What we got to do is we got to make a straddle chart of 25,550 call and 550 put exactly on 9:15, the opening tick in a 1 minute candle. Now here I have already made it ready for you. This is, as you can see in the background, is written is 25,500 call and 25,500 put, and this is a 1 minute chart. This is exactly as the opening tick, which is, as you can see, where the cursor is. Now, remember what I told you a few minutes back, that we are not interested in a candle like this. We are only interested in candle like this, which has the flat top I'm talking about here. So this candle is telling us that exactly on 9:16, this candle is formed. That means the price action is telling us that the combined straddle premium chart should go bearish now. I repeat, this chart which you see is a combined straddle, 25,500 call, 25,500 put, 1 minute combined chart on a Heikin-Ashi. Who's gonna explain you like this in a very simple format? You already busy. A lot of traders trade from their mobile phones. They want an exact stop loss and the setup. What do we see here is that if we do an entry, then the stop loss becomes here. Top of the candle, if the price go up and sustain above it, we are out of the trade. No negotiation at all, right? Completely ruthless exit. Now, what to do is that if we do an entry here, all we got to do is just hold on to the trade. Now, what you see is the combined premium of 272. It's clear, it's visible, you can see it on your screen yourself. And if somebody take a trade, and probably, you don't need to ride the entire trend. Now this is entry around 9:16 a.m. and this is around 11:16, so maybe around 2 hours into the trade. I have an important question for you. Somebody who's teaching you the method and you're learning from him. Where is the biggest issue? The biggest issue in trading is not able to exit the trade when the trade is under fire. Here what you see, this is the line in the sand. If we respect this line and if we follow it, all we got to do is just simply hold on to the trade. If losses come, then we take it. It's a part of the game. But here what do we see? Suppose if somebody make an entry around 271, holding it around 247 and probably can hold it for even long. Simple. Now let's go to 1 day more prior. It's getting more interesting, isn't it? And you want to see some more techniques. You want to learn when not to do this. That is sometimes even more important. Yes, you wanted a lot of things. You've been requesting, you've been asking that you wanted a complete method. If you're a working busy professional, you wanted a setup where the exits are defined and you can ride the trend. Here, let's watch it. It's 25 Feb, just 1 day prior. What do we see? The opening is 25,515. That means 25,500. That becomes an at the money straddle. So let's load that. It's very simple. So 25,500, very simple. So here I have loaded the chart, 25,500 call, 25,500 put, and this is the first candle which you see here, 9:15 a.m. What do you see how the second candle look? This is the second candle. Now, obviously the high remains the stop loss of it, and all a trader got to do is just hold on to the trade till the time the Heikin-Ashi candle gives a close above than that. Intraday trading is all about respecting the rules. It's all about respecting the setup. It's about booking the profits without being greedy. Now here what we see is that the combined straddle premium was approximately 300. It's at the money. It's at the money weekly straddles. Now here what we see is that 916 is approximately an entry, and because as we know that the theta decays very fast here, we are not looking forward to do an entry maybe 1 hour after the opening. Just morning first 15-30 minutes is what we look forward to make an entry. Now here what we see, if we just hold on to the trade and hold on to the trade and hold on to the trade, right now it's 12, it's before lunch. All a trader can do is just simply just square off the trade, and now it's 12:30. Now here what you see, this is the lunch time. Entry was done in the morning using Heikin-Ashi candle. What is required is the mental capacity to learn the strategy and follow the rules. And obviously there is no strategy which is 100%. It's the business. Which business in the world is 100% is what I want to ask you. But it's all about techniques, method. People do learn it from somewhere. People do learn it from their mentors. People learn it from books. Because any weakness if you're trading has, sooner or later, market will let you know. Now you want to see a day prior? Let's go. Let's probably see a day where we hit a stop loss. How it's going to be, right? So we go here 1 day prior now. And what do we see is here at the money is, this is the first candle. It's 25,600 approximately. So let's load that. Let's check it out. It's getting interesting, right? So here we are exactly on 24th of Feb. Now what you see, the first candle itself told us that this is a good Heikin-Ashi candle. The top is definitely a stop loss. And after a minute or something, if we hold on to the trade and if we hold on to the trade, now this is a positive example, right? Now this is a 1 minute chart. What if the candle come here and suppose if candle closes here? Can't we square it off? And suppose if we make an entry over here, just for an example, if market crosses here and suppose instead of going down, if it touches here, then it's fine. At least we have the exits in place. But here, what do we see is that the combined straddle premium was 380. And if we hold on, now this is a good example. Now you see, what a beautiful example this is, because I want to show you losses, of course. Now suppose the combined premium was approximately 380 and prior to lunch it become 360, so definitely 30 points the straddle premium reduced, and after that the straddle gone up and it hit the stop loss. The stop loss was here, the first stop loss. It didn't hit actually, but even if this would have closed above than that, then absolutely fine. Now here, this is exactly what happened. It closed here. So what you see is that after the Heikin-Ashi 1 minute, it gave you a lot of room to exit. A 30 point. How much is a worth 30 point is I want to ask you. How long have you been trading into the markets? Calculate the margins, how much is stake for the straddle, how much is the combined margin. And then calculate if somebody gains a 30 point or loses 30 points in terms of percentage, how much it is. When we calculate in terms of percentage, the profit and the losses, not in terms of absolute rupee terms, the psychology changes. Holding period of the trade changes. Stop losses have different meanings. Profit bookings have different meanings. You've been commenting a lot under the video. You want to learn intraday, busy professional. The stakes were so high, you wanted no gap down, no gap up kind of a strategy for working professionals. You've been following the channel. You've been taking steps actively to learn to improve on your trading. Yes, this is something 1 minute chart. Now, there is one more filter which I have. When not to enter trending markets. So not all the day we got to treat equally. You want to see an example? Yes, a bad example so you can really filter it out. When not to do the entry is also very important. In fact, the most important. Let me show you exactly what do I mean by trending market and how to avoid bad entries. Yes, let me load that. It'll be more fun. So here we are on the day of 27th of Feb, and what do we see is that market has given a gap down, and that market in 1 minute, this 1 minute candle is approximately 70-80 points, and it didn't stop there. After the few minutes, the candle again, so it was first of all a gap down, and then there was a continuation of a trend. I don't need to tell you what exactly does this mean. It means that the bear pressure is on, or it can be opposite as well. It can be a gap up and the first candle itself can be really bullish. It only talks about one thing, that who's in control. It's visible here. Look at the size of the candle. Now, when we are doing intraday and when we are doing Heikin-Ashi candle, we got to filter out the days, because if we are selling an straddle which is at the money, the game is just not theta decay. We got to wake up from the theta decay trading. We got to make sure that we manage the deltas when we are doing non-directional trading, and when we see a punch like this. That is something which is not an entry day for us. That is the ball swinging outside the off stump. Which ball to hit, which ball to lose is number one mark of a good sportsman. This is also not less than sports, by the way. Mental sport. This one also has the rules. This one also have coaches. This one also have the players who follow the rules. Important filter. Why am I telling you this? I would have ended the video. I would have ended the video. I would have said, okay, this is how we do an entry. But no, when you come on this channel, you expect some quality stuff. You wanted the precise, exact what you wanted, what you're looking forward to. That's the exact reason why I tell you, hit and trial way of trading, one must avoid into the trading. If you have to do trading, if you have to trade alongside your job or business, it's always better to think on how you can improve on your trading, how you can get the exact step-by-step way to improve on your trading. The strategy, all the strategy have certain amount of weaknesses, certain amount of strength. Our job is to make sure that the strong points remain even more strong, and the weakness, whatever the strategy has, we try to reduce it as much as we can. That's the name of the game. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you must have learned something today. And if you do intraday trading, Heikin-Ashi, at the money, so many points to learn from this. I wish you all the very best. Thanks for watching. Take care. Signing off. Bye-bye.